I'm Susan. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm participating in the last 50 stack challenge prompts, 49 and 50. And this challenge is hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. Be sure and check out her channel. I'll have it listed in my description box down below. And be sure and check out the hashtag 50 stack challenge. And she has a new challenge going now where we get to do any kind of ephemera. And it's 50 stack challenge 2. And it's a lot of fun as well. So be sure and check out the hashtags 50 stack challenge and 50 stack challenge 2. And our prompts for this week is ruffle, and I've got this ruffled lace, and circles, and I've got some circles. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, here are my guest checks. The one on number 49, we did ruffle, and I made a side pocket here. And I embellished with some roses and some glossy accents. It's not quite dry yet. And on number 50 was circles. And I love that little girl. I think she's so cute. Got her little bunny rabbit. Get ready for spring. So I have so enjoyed this challenge, Amy, and I appreciate you getting it together, and I appreciate you getting together the 50 stack challenge too. We'll keep it going. And I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure to check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat. I'll have it listed in my description box down below. And be sure to check out 50 Stack Challenge and 50 Stack Challenge 2. So y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.